Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Start by accessing clock by tapping on it. Then you need to choose alarm over here and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Set up an hour and after that select ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can click on repeat, select days of the week and go back. Now choose alarm name over here and save your changes by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then click on snooze to disable or enable it and tap on ringtone. Over here you can select vibration pattern by tapping on vibrations and picking one of those options. You can also enable features sync with ringtone or tap on no vibration to disable vibrations completely. Go back and pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also choose select from file, pick music from your device and go back as well. Now save your alarm by clicking at the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and choosing one of those options. Then turn it back on the same way. You can also click on edit at the top left corner, pick one of your alarms and delete it by tapping on delete at the bottom and choosing delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!